Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from Postgres to MySQL using automated tools, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring data from Postgres to MySQL, ensure you have both databases installed and running. The first step is to assess the data structure of your Postgres database. Take note of the tables you want to transfer and any specific data types used. Next, consider choosing an automated tool to simplify the migration process. Popular options include Apache Scoop, Talent, or MySQL Workbench. Once you select a tool, download and install it on your system. If you chose MySQL Workbench, open the application and navigate to the Data Migration Wizard. For Apache Scoop, ensure you have Java and Hadoop installed before proceeding. When using Talent, start a new project and create a job for the migration. Now, establish a connection to your Postgres database. Enter the necessary credentials, including the server address, database name, username, and password. Once connected, you can preview the tables and data available for transfer. Next, create a similar connection to your MySQL database using the same process. After both connections are established, map the tables from Postgres to their corresponding tables in MySQL. Pay careful attention to data types to ensure compatibility during the transfer. If there are discrepancies in data types, modify them as needed in the mapping stage. Now, initiate the data transfer process. The tool will handle the extraction from Postgres and insertion into MySQL. Once the transfer is complete, review the log files for any errors or warnings. Afterward, verify the data in MySQL by running queries on the new tables. Ensure that the data integrity is maintained throughout the transfer process. If everything looks good, you have successfully migrated your data. Finally, make any necessary adjustments or optimizations in MySQL based on your requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.